Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So we have a different video today. Today I'm going to be reviewing my new Glock 19 MOS. I just picked this up, Glock 19 MOS. But before we get started in a video, I just want to show you the gun is clear, no ammo, and fully clear. Okay, so I just picked this up and I'm super excited to show you about it. I've shot about 15 different guns in the last few months, and I have to tell you, man, I had to pick the Glock 19. I think it's just such an overall good gun, man. First of all, it's so freaking light, and that's one thing I like about it. I love just the way it looks as well. And I went with the 19 because two different things. Number one, it's not too small where you feel like it's gonna fly out of your hands, right? So like I'm like what, 5'8", 5'9", right? I'm a just regular sized guy. My hand fits this perfectly, man. I don't feel like it's too small in my hand. I don't feel like it's gonna fly out of my hand when I try to shoot it, right? Second thing is, it's not too big where if I wanted to conceal carry this, I totally could. And I've like literally, I've shot so many different pistols in the last few months. If I wouldn't have gone with the Glock 19 MOS, I would have got the Sig Sauer P365 X Macro. Those are the two guns I was kind of going back and forth with. So just pick this up, do a full unboxing. Obviously, here's the case right here. Now what it comes with, this is the MOS version. So you do get the part where you can add a sight to it, which I did get. I got the Hollow Sun 407K red dot. I also got the TLR light on the bottom as well. But this one right here is a 14 mag plus one. You get 3 mags, and then you get the mag loader as well. They do give you some tools to clean the gun after you use it. Also, you get 2 extra back straps if you want to add these on. I personally like the original one here. I think that one looks fine. But one thing about the Glock, right? So you have no safety, but you do have a trigger safety here. Right here, there's the trigger safety there. This is a 9mm Glock 19 MOS, and this is just the regular black, fully stock, literally nothing done to it. I'm super excited to use it. Gonna take it to the range and just kind of play with it, man. I think it's gonna be super exciting. Here's how the sights look. So they look pretty good, but like I said, I already ordered the red dot. And like I said, I've shot all different guns, man. I don't think you can go wrong with the Glock 19. I think the Glocks are a great first gun because, you know, they're very reliable. They're light, they're not expensive, and they just feel good. And like I said, I didn't want one that was too small because I feel like when I shoot the Glock 43X, I feel like it's too small. It's gonna fly out of my hand. It's pretty snippy. This one, I feel like I have way more control. I feel way more confident using this one right here. I feel way more confident. So that's kind of why I went with this one. If I were to go with another one, I would go with the Sig Sauer P365. But I honestly probably wouldn't even get that since I have this. I'd probably get like a bigger gun, like an M18 Sig, right? Just like the ones that the Marines use. So I'd probably go with that if I get a second one. But I can't wait to take this to the range, and I'll make an updated video when I get all the parts on it. Like I have the red dot and I have the light coming in, got the holster, got my bag and everything. But I just wanted to make a video here, right? This is a out of the ordinary video because I post a bunch of truck stuff, but just wanted to show you my cool little pickup. If you have any questions on it, guys, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. First time gun owner, right? So definitely excited to learn more and just kind of get into the hobby of you know, shooting and trying different guns out, and pretty excited about it. But I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.